Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Mr. V the Architect. Today we are looking at how to model a fence using Revit family. Open Revit, go to Families, go to New, select English, Metric Furniture System, then press Open. Change the unit, press UN, go to Length, make it meter, and the rounding to decimal, then press OK, then OK. Go to Front, Insert, Import CAD, select your Autocad file, then import unit, make it meter, and the position manual center, then press open. Make it 1 to 1, go to create, extrusion, rectangle, or pick line first, the extrusion start from 0 and the end, let's choose this one, 0.25 centimeter. Let's create this one, go to create, extrusion, pick line, or let's make it a rectangle from here to here. Also this one the same. Then press finish. Go to 3D, top, go to front, let's select this lines, create, extrusion, set, place a plane, then press OK. Choose this one, then pick lines, press tab to select multiple lines, then press finish. Go to 3D, and here it is. Make it shade or realistic. Let's change the materials. This one, go material, and here it is.